4.25 gram of NH3 equal to dash atoms. That is the question. Okay. Now first you have to do how many moles you have to calculate. 4.25 gram equal dash moles. Yes. Puran given 0.25 moles. Yes. What about others? Try it fast. See, from last 3-4 days we are doing same concept. Just apply the mole formula. Prabhanjan, mole, mass by molecular mass. Mass is given 4.25, molecular mass 17. NH3 का nitrogen 14, hydrogen 3, 17. So 17th table. So 0. That means 42.5. 17 2s are 34. 34. 8 plus 2 6. Approximately 5s are. Yes. Hello. Everyone, you got it? 0.25 moles. Understood or not? Fast replay. Yes. After getting moles, 0.25 mole. We know that 1 mole equal how much? Avogadro number. Okay. That means equal dash molecules. Dash molecules. How many molecules? 0.25 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules are present. These many molecules are there. These many molecules are there. Everyone, you understood this? After getting this answer, our target is atom. Now you tell me in NH3 how many atoms are there? In single NH3 how many atoms are there? Write the message. In single NH3 how many atoms are there? 4 atoms. If I take 1 mole, how many atoms will be there? 4 moles. If I take these many molecule, how many atoms will be there? 4 into 0.25 into same number 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, you can multiply like this. 4 into 0.25, that means 1. 1 into 6, that means 6. So final answer I can write 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Okay, this is also correct. This is also correct. Got it? How to solve the question? Always moles you have to do. Once you are getting moles, these many mole is like a dozen. 25 dozen means what you will do? 25 into 12. 0.25 mole means what you will do? 0.25 into Avogadro number. Those many molecules. Each molecule has 4 atoms. NH3. 4. That's why multiply with the 4. 4 into the many molecule, that is atoms. Multiply kare to you will get this. Understood everyone? Yes or no? Yes, understood. Okay, right. Next, 86 over. So 87 valence electron. 87. 87. You can take screenshot or you can note down fast. Who solved this? Try. This question number 87. Question number 87. The total number of valence electron in 4.2 gram of nitride ion. First you do one thing. How many moles? Calculate the moles. 4.2 grams of nitride equal to how many moles? .2 gram nitride. Nitride means N3 minus. 4.2 gram nitride equal to dash moles dash valence electrons dash total electrons. Okay, three questions. For this, first you have to do number of moles. How many moles? 0. N minus 3. Continue. Remaining. Valence electrons. See, regarding valence electron, I will explain you first. Nitrogen, atomic number 7. That means 7 electrons are there. The 7 electrons arranging up to 10th class you have K element electronic configuration. In the K, maximum 2 electrons we can keep. In the L, 8 electrons. In M, 18 electrons we can keep. Okay, K, L, M, N. So 32 electrons we can keep it. Okay, so here we have only 8 electrons. That means 2 and 5. This 5 is valence electrons. Valence electrons. Valence shell means in the electronic configuration, the last shell is known as valence shell. Here in the nitrogen, valence electrons are 5. First point is clear. Valence electrons are 5 in nitrogen. But here given it is N minus 3. If I write N minus 3, in the N minus 3, how many electrons are there? 10 electrons are there. 10 electron configuration 2, 8. 2, 8 electronic configuration. So how many valence electrons are there? 8 valence electrons are there. Valence electrons. First of all, you understood valence electrons 8. Why and how? You understood this? Yes or no? Regarding valence electrons. Valence electron means after writing the electronic arrangement in the shells, the last shell electrons are known as valence electrons. The last shell is known as valence shell. Okay? Right, 2, 8 electrons, done. 8 electrons. मतलब each N3 minus in a single N3 minus, in single N3 minus 8 electrons are there. This is the concept. Okay, keep it aside this one. Now tell me, how many moles? Still not given any single answer. Puran, Arya, Siddhi, Prabhanjan. आज absent है क्या Prabhanjan? Ishita, Athar. I am asking you 4.2 gram nitride equal to how many moles? 0.1 mole? How 0.1 mole? That means 42 gram equal to 1 mole. Okay, do one thing. Tell me nitrogen atomic mass. Okay, I am asking sub questions. छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ पहले. Fast reply. Nitrogen atomic mass. Nitrogen, single, nitrogen atomic mass, not molecular mass. Nitrogen atomic mass. Prabhanjan, Puran, Arya. Fast reply. Nitrogen atomic mass. 14. Shravan is giving, Aditi is giving, but Puran, Prabhanjan not given. Reply fast. Okay. Nitrogen atomic mass. Clear. Right. Perfect. Now you tell me nitride atomic mass. Nitrogen atomic mass is 14. Right? Excellent. Nitride atomic mass. It is, if it is different, write the different value. If it is same, write the same word. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Means you are not thinking. Someone is written answer means other students simply copying. Don't believe blindly in front of who is there. Okay? You have knowledge, whatever you learn, you decide on your own knowledge. Okay? Okay. Before that, I will ask you, what is atomic mass formula equal? Atomic mass equal to atomic mass formula. Okay, I am not asking now what is the atomic mass. I am asking atomic mass. Okay, I will write the mass. Atomic mass equal to atomic mass symbol A equal to P plus N. Number of proton plus number of neutron. Or number of proton plus number of neutron plus electron. Which one is the correct? Only P plus N or P plus N plus E? Shravan only give an answer. P plus N. Perfect. P plus N is the perfect. Okay, last one question. In N minus 3, in N minus 3, tell me electrons, protons and neutrons. In N minus 3, how many electrons, how many protons, how many neutrons? Each and every question is important, because if you know all these concepts, then only there is no doubt. Okay, that's why एक क्वेश्चन में कितना क्वेश्चन पॉसिबिलिटी है, I am asking you all the questions. I will clarify all these doubts. Okay, do it fast. In N minus 3, how many electron, how many proton, how many neutrons? Nitrogen atomic number 7. If you don't know, I am telling. 7 protons, okay. 7 protons, 8 neutrons, or atomic number nitrogen atomic mass is 15. Actually, you have to know this, but still I am telling. 10 electrons. See who are giving the answer. Give all three like this: 7p, 7e, 7n, like that. Yes, Shravan, you are giving proper and okay, everyone. Okay, Shravan given that all 7. Is it correct or wrong? Prabhanjan also. All 7. 7 electrons, 7 protons, 7 neutrons. Okay? Perfect. This much clear? सबके लिए clear है? Anyone have any doubt in this? Here electrons, single nitrogen में 7 electron proper है, लेकिन -3 is there. -3 means 3 more electrons are there. 3 more electrons are there. This answer correction is there. 10 electrons. प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन 7 7 sorry नाइट्रोजन का मास तो 14 right not 15 14 okay you people given that 7 electrons that is do it correction it's not 7 electron 10 electrons why because I am asking you the question n minus 3 n minus 3 or 3 minus this charge indicating those many electrons extra Puran given correct answer Puran remaining students Prabhanjan Shravan okay Shravan understood right Prabhanjan clear okay 10 electrons 7 protons 7 neutrons see I am calling only 2 3 students name okay but indirectly I am asking you all okay don't feel that sir always finding out us not like that okay right this much clear electron proton neutron clear now you tell me what is the mass n minus 3 mass what is the mass what is the mass everything is there on the board do it calculation and tell me what is the mass nitride ion n minus 3 का mass fast if you delay then obviously time waste हो जाएगा बस इतना ही can I tell atomic mass n minus 3 का mass Puran 17 other students रॉन्ग है तो कोई बात नहीं है नो पेनाल्टी ओके रिप्ले इज इंपॉर्टेंट फास्ट इतना सोचने वाला नहीं बेटा इतना सिंपल एटॉमिक मास के लिए इफ यू टेक 3-4 minutes then how you will calculate all mole concept and the next concentration questions beta you written 17 but why you written 17 here mass equal to proton plus neutron just before only we discussed you people agreed this formula once you agree this formula p plus n then you do it p plus n it will come 14 only why 17 how 17 will come 14 plus 3 what is the logic 14 plus 3 3 is the electrons electron mass we never calculate in the atomic mass okay is it clear okay electron mass we don't consider what was the reason you learned that this electron mass is almost 2000 times smaller 2000 times मतलब electron proton 1 gram है तो electron 0.001 gram okay so if you count it or if you don't count almost the same that's why we are not counting electron mass so what is this 14 this much clear atomic mass कैसे calculate करना है ये चार्ज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है in case of atomic mass the atomic mass never change based on the charge okay चार्ज चेंज हो गए तो एटॉमिक मास चेंज नहीं होता है वो फिक्स्ड होता है एटॉमिक मास ऑब्वियसली इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी चेंज राइट ओके एक क्वेश्चन के लिए इतना ओके राइट नाउ What is the n minus 3 atomic mass? Finally, what is the n minus 3 atomic mass? 14. Yes, 14. Now you tell me moles. Now you do, everyone. See, I can explain within 1 minute, but I don't want to do like that. I want to make you solve the question. That is the thing. Okay. If I solve within 2 minutes, it will over. But you have to understand the concept now. How many questions I will explain? If you understand the concept, you can solve hundreds of questions. Okay, Siddhi 0.3. Yes, other students try it. 0.3. Yes, mass by molar mass. What is the mass? N minus 3 ka 4.2 grams. You can say 4.2 grams upon 14. That means 0.3. 0.3 moles over. Right? Now, 0.3 moles over. Now, question number. What is the question? Question number 86 into 10 power 23. Right. Moles over. Then how many molecules? Dash molecules. Dash. Of course, molecule नहीं है ये. Ions बोलते इसको. Charged particle है ना? Charged particle को बोलते ions. Dash ions. How many ions are there? 0.3 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 ions. This answer is clear to everyone, these two answers. Our target to valence electrons. Let it be. First you understood these two. 0.3 moles, then 0.3 into Avogadro number of ions. Okay, yes, Shravan, you written. Same thing I written here. Good. Understood now? Now our target is valence electron. Because these many ions are there. Now you tell me in each n minus 3, how many valence electrons are there? I written here. Nitrogen ka configuration this one. 2, 5. 5 are the valence electron. But our question is n minus 3. मतलब 3 more electron extra. Total 10 electrons. 10 electron का configuration 2, 8. 8 is the valence electron. Okay. In single n minus 3, 8 electrons are there. 8 electrons are there. In 100 में क्या होगा? 800 होगा. In 1000 में 8000. In 1 lakh 8 lakhs. In 1 mole 8 moles. In these many moles 8 into this much. Clear? 8 into this much. First I will write as it is answer. 8 into 0.3 into 6. 6 means 1.8. Okay, I am not taking 0 to 2 into 10 power 23. You got it? Why I written this 8? 8 is the valence electron. The remaining part as it is. How many ions are there? Those many. Each ion में 8 valence electrons are there. Hello? Understood up to this valence electrons? Yes or no? Yes. Now next question is total electrons. Total electrons. देखो n3 minus में how many total electrons are there? Total तो 10 electrons. Total तो 10 electrons. 10 into how many ions are there? These many ions are there. 1.8 into 10 power 23. Okay. I skipped the 0 to 2. Don't worry about that. Okay. Is it clear now? Total electrons, valence electron, number of ions, number of moles. 4 questions. If you know each and everything, then easily you can calculate. Next time whatever similar question is there, then easily you can solve. Understood clearly? Everything done? You can take screenshot. Next, question number 87. The total number of 87 to same type of question, same total number of valence electrons in 4.2 grams. It's the same question. See in the option, it is not given this big number. They asked us only N0 form. N0 form means Avogadro number form. Avogadro number form may, how can you write? See, in the Avogadro number form, this is total N0. N0. That means 0.3 N0 ions are there. Okay. Now, valence electrons. Valence electrons, how many are there? 8 into 0.3 into 6.022 10 power 23 ka I can write it, see the N0. 8 into 3, 2.4 into N0 into, if you write it, so okay, otherwise no. Okay, 8 3 is 24, 2.4 N0. Is there answer? 42.4. 2 is the option. Okay, B option. Option 2. Yes. Understood? If they ask you the full number, N0 के जगह पे 6.022 into 10 power 23, you have to put it here, do the multiplication. Okay. Next question they ask like that only. Not next question. 86 question is in the 10 power 23 form. Okay. So finally understood. Next. Question number 88. Atomicity of a species is X and its atomic weight is Y. Atomic weight is Y. The molecular weight of the species is molecular weight. Anyone? Atomicity, atomic mass or atomic weight. Then atomicity is X. Atomic mass Y. The molecular weight of the species. Molecular weight. Say, suppose we have O2 molecule. Example, O2 molecule. What is the atomicity here? 2. Atomicity is 2. Atomic mass is 16. What is the molecular mass? Molecular mass is 32. Why 32? Because two atoms are there. Okay, 116 plus another 16, 32. With 32, how it came? It is nothing but this 2 into 16. That is nothing but 2 into 16. Similar question we solved in the last classes. Sulfur molecular mass given 256 like this. How it came? We know that sulfur atomic number 16, atomic mass 32. Atomic mass 32. But the sulfur is in the form of polymer, that is S8. S8. That means 32 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 24, 125. Yes, what we are doing? Atomic mass into atomicity we are doing. Atomic mass into atomicity. Got it? So, since atomic, sorry, molecular mass equal x into y. Got it? Understood? Question number 88. Yeah, only Shravan given the reply. What about others? Next, 89. Do it 89. 89. Next question 89. You have the book. Do the 89. Today is 7th. So 8, 9. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days. I will continue from this book. 10th onwards, strictly we will start 11th class syllabus. Okay. So inform to your friends who are taking it light, who joined but still not attending the classes. Okay. Tell them seriously they have to attend 10th onwards, on 10th also compulsory onwards. See, these classes it will cover, I told many times. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask. But 10th onwards, if you miss, obviously you will miss. That syllabus cover is difficult. Then we have to take extra classes, and you have to be attend in the offline, or it has big procedure. Okay, otherwise end of the month or end of the syllabus we will repeat for them. The continuously when you will get one or two classes gap, then that effect will be there on the next classes. That's why you have to attend. However, you are at home only. Some students are telling that health problem is there and XYZ reasons. So even though you can switch on the camera and you can watch it, if you are unable to write, at least you can watch it. Okay, don't miss the classes. We have to take very serious note from 10th onwards. You have to be attend as well. You inform to your friends also. Okay. Yes. What about question number 89? The total weight of 10 power 22 molecular units of copper sulfate dot 5 H2O is nearly a cross multiplication question. Will you do or shall I do? Tell me, bas itna hi. If you ask explain, then only I will explain. Otherwise, I am going to 90. Question number 90. So no one is asking. So you will do that. See what you have to do. I will tell you cross multiplication question. 1 mole equal to that copper sulfate dot 5 H2O total mass. Here everything you can do copper only, maybe you don't know. Copper is 65, atomic number is 30, atomic mass 65, remaining everything you can calculate. Molecular mass you will do that, molecular mass equal to 1 Avogadro number. Okay, these many number equal to how much mass? Cross multiplication question. Next, The number of molecule present in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide gas is, this is also you can do, 44 में 1 Avogadro number, 4.4 में directly I will tell answer, that answer will be 10 power 22 होना चाहिए. So fourth answer 90, 90, that is fourth answer. Okay, next homework questions are there, so same concept होता है. So day 19th I am going direct. Day 19th. Once I am giving time 1 minute up to question number 100. Which question you want explanation? 80? 84. Okay, one student asking 84. Before 100. Before 100. Because 100 is the day 18, last question. Before 100, 84 you are asking? 84. So 84th question I am going to explain now. The number of atoms in 0.0004 gram of magnesium will be, cross multiplication question. Will you do it? Okay, I will. 84. 0.0004. 0.0004 gram magnesium is there. Number of atoms of magnesium. This is the magnesium. Asking dash atoms. Atoms. Here two types you can do. One is converting into mole, then you can do. Otherwise, direct cross multiplication question also. What is that? 24 gram magnesium if you take, how many atoms it will be? Dash atoms. How many atoms it will be? If you take 24 grams of magnesium, 24, what is the relation? 24 is the atomic mass of magnesium. Atomic mass is, atomic number is 12, atomic mass 24. 24 gram magnesium, it is a magnesium, suppose magnesium ribbon. I am taking 24 gram. In that, how many atoms will be there? I am asking to all. I am taking 24 gram magnesium. How many atoms will be there in that? Fast reply. No one? Everyone sleeping, I think. Because it is almost 1 o'clock. No? Beta, after 1:30 your break is there, you can eat that time. Yes, Shravan, good. 6 into 10 power 23, that is Avogadro number. Okay. 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Now the question is, these many grams equal how much? Cross multiplication question. I don't know, that is x. Then x equal 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 0.04 gram. I can write it as 4 into 10 power minus 4 grams. है ना? 0.0004 means 4 into 10 power minus 4 grams upon 24. So 4 1s are 4, 6 are 6, 1. Approximately 1 into 10 power minus 4 atoms. With the gram get cancelled. Unit. 10 power minus 4. 84. 10 power 1 minute. Here 23 is there. No? 10 power 23 here. 10 power minus 9, 4 here. So 10 power 19 हो जाएगा. Approximately 10 power 19. 84. 10 power 19 also not there in the option. 10 power 20 is there. Cross multiplication, we did correct. 24 now 4 into 10 power minus 4. then 6.0 double to 10 power 23. 4 1 ja 4 6 ja, then 6 1 ja, you take it 0 22 means I can take 4 like this. Approximately 1 into 10 power 19. Double zero or triple zero. What is the number of atoms in 0.0004 gram of magnesium will be? Any mistake you found here? बराबर है ना? Approximately 1 into 10 power 19. That's only answer. Here it is given. What is the answer? 84. 84 3 10 power 20. We got it 10 power 19. So maybe print mistake होगा. So what they thought, maybe here double zero होना चाहिए. It may be double zero. Then we will get it 10 power 20 will get it. So either you can correct in the question or in the answer. Okay. Question में है तो 004 लेना है. If you want to get correct answer, if you take 00, then you will get here 10 power minus 3. Then 10 power 20 will be the answer. Okay, that is correction in the question. Hello, everyone understood? But if you send replay, if you ask something, then only class will be active. Otherwise, it looks like sleeping mode. लैपटॉप होता है ना स्लीपिंग मोड में. Okay, right. See, our concept is clear. If you want correct answer, take it like this: 0.004. 004 के लिए तो 10 power 19 is the answer, right? So up to question number 100, if you have doubt, you can ask. Then I am starting question number 101 because day 19 question. Any other questions? Day 19, question number 101. Question number 101, right? The vapor density of gas 22, it cannot be. Vapor density of vapor density vapor density is given 22. What will be the molecular mass? Molecular mass equal to 2 into vapor density, that equal to 2 into 22, that equal to 44 molecular mass. Now what you will do, A option, sub molecular mass you calculate. Carbon dioxide, one is CO2, B nitrous oxide. Learn the formulas also. ठीक है, बाद में नहीं है, अभी लर्न करें तो बाद में इजी होगा. नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड लाफिंग गैस N2O. प्रोपेन 3 कार्बन्स, ये तो क्लास 10th तक आ गया था. प्रोपेन CH3 CH2 CH3 प्रोपेन. D मीथेन, राइट. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का एटॉमिक मास 12 plus 32, that equal to 44. N2O 14 plus 14 28. 28 plus 16, 8 plus 6 4 44. Then here CH3 12 plus 3 15 plus carbon 12 plus 2 hydrogen 14 plus 15 30 plus 14, that means 44. 44. Here this one 12 plus 4 16. So this is the not 14, not 44. There you go. Question is asking which is not 44. इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. So D is the correct answer for this question. Understood now? 101. Yes. Is it clear? Next, 102. The number of moles present in 24.5 grams of H2SO4. Same type of question. Yes. Okay. H2SO4 का होगा total 98 is the molecular mass. Mass by molecular mass 24 by 98. That means 25 by 100 approximate. That means 1 by 4. That means 0.25. Fourth is the correct option. You people are not responding anything. I am writing 101, 102. 102 also over. What happened? Not understanding. If you are not understanding, you can ask. Abhi just bridge course. It is for understanding purpose only. Bridge course means it is a bridge. Class 11th and 12th. दोनों के बीच में gap to cover the gap. Okay. I will explain whatever you will ask those many times until you understand the concept. Right. The weight of 4 gram atoms, the weight of 4 gram, the weight of 4 gram, नहीं 4 gram नहीं है वो 4 gram atoms. The weight of 4 gram atoms of nitrogen is nothing but 4 moles of nitrogen is there. What will be the mass? उसमें भी नाइट्रोजन एटम तो दे दिया. एक नाइट्रोजन एटम का 14 into 4, 14 fours are 56. Is there answer? Yes. A is there. 103. Answer is A. Gram atom beta. Gram atom मतलब 1 mole. Gram atom means 1 mole. Next 104. The number of carbon atoms present in 2.8 gram of carbon monoxide are. ठीक है, एक बार चेक करते हैं इसका. ठीक है, but these students are very silent because it's going out of their level. If you reply fast, then I can go ahead. Otherwise, what I will think, you may not understanding, so I will explain each and every question and small concepts. Okay, 103 I am explaining. The not 103, 104 I am going to explain now. 104. The number of carbon atoms present in 2.8 gram of carbon monoxide. 2.8 gram of carbon monoxide. May dash number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms are there. Number of carbon atoms. First you calculate how many carbon monoxides are there. If you know carbon monoxides, then carbon is very easy, because if you have 10 carbon monoxide, 10 carbon will be there. If you have 100 carbon monoxide, 100 carbons are there. So what you have to do? First you have to calculate how many COs are there. Okay? How many carbon monoxides are there? Then how you will get it? Then again, cross multiplication, yeah, mole concept. See, direct cross multiplication type I will do. How कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड का मॉलिक्यूलर मास क्या होता है? CO12 plus 16 that equal to 28. That means if I take 28 grams, if I take 28 grams of CO, in that how many molecules are there? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of carbon monoxide. ये statement is clear to everyone? Yes or no? 28 grams of CO if I take, in that 1 Avogadro number of CO molecules are present. Yes or no? No one replied. Yes. So I have only 2.8 gram now. I have only 2.8 gram. Cross multiplication. See, simple one digit means here answer will be 6.022 into 10 power 22. CO molecules will be there. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. That means 22. I am not writing cross multiplication and direct answer. Okay. What these many carbon monoxide. How many carbon monoxides are there? Those many carbon atoms are there. So what will be the answer? 6.022 into 10 power 22 number of carbon atoms are present. 104. 6 into 10 power 22. So fourth option. Option fourth. Yes. Yes. Puran. Got it. Remaining. Prapanjan. Everyone. Next. The volume of 1.5 gram atoms of helium gas under standard condition of temperature and pressure. Okay, volume related question. So I will explain this. 1.5 gram atoms of helium gas. One point five gram of helium equal dash. What is asking? Liter. Yes. Volume liter. At SCP. Obviously they will give SCP only. They don't ask it different right now. Okay. Okay. Now cross multiplication. Mole concept and cross multiplication. Two methods are there. Okay. Easy method. Simple cross multiplication method. देखो helium 1 mole of helium equal how many grams? 4 grams. 4 gram equal to 1 mole, that equal to 22.4 liters. About helium I am writing. Hello everyone, you understood this step? इसमें कोई doubt है? No doubts? It is clear? Because it's a 1 mole of helium equal to 4, atomic number 2 helium, atomic mass 4, 4 gram is 1 mole, 1 mole is always up by 22.4 liter. हमारे पास कितना था? 1.5. देखो 4 gram is occupying 22.4 liter, 1.5 gram equal to dash. Don't know x. Okay, then x equal 1.5 into 22.4 upon 4, then you can do this calculation. 2 2 is 11.2. Then again, if I take to 5.6 into 1.5. So approximately 5 plus half, 2.5, 3, 8 liters around. Question number 1.5, 11.2. 33.6 liters. See here in the question number 106, there it should give that gram atomic, gram atomic, gram atoms. That means 1.5 moles. Hello, body is visible now? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, in that question, if it is asking 4 grams, 4 gram of helium, that means this is the question. Approximately this answer will be 8 liter. Okay, but in that question is asking 1.5 gram atoms. Here it is not 1.5 gram, 1.5 gram atom. 1 gram atom means 1 mole. 1 gram atom. Gram atom. 1 gram atom equal to 1 mole. 1.5 gram atom means gram atom equal to 1.5 moles. 1.5 moles. ठीक है 1.5 मोल 1 मोल is occupying 22.4 liter 1 mole occupying 22.4 liters then 1.5 mole occupying how many liters 1.5 mole occupying dash liters it is x equal 22.4 into 1.5 that equal 22 plus 11 33.6. Okay, see the question here gram atom or grams of atom. Itna है single one letter difference 1.5 grams helium is there. That means this previous calculation. Gram atom is given means indirectly mole that is gram atom is given means mole 1.5 moles. Okay. So I explained you two things when it is considered as mole, when it is considered as normal just grams. Okay, two things I explained. You may get doubt, sir, when we had to consider simple grams or mole. See, whenever it is given gram atom single word is there, gram atom, then you have to consider that is mole. Grams of atom grams of atom बीच में OF is there so you have to consider that is separate 4 grams not at all mole relation grams of atoms gram atom okay is it clear gram atom and grams of atoms yes Yes, Puran, we also got it 33.6. Okay. Whenever only 1.5 gram of helium is there, that time approximately 8 liters. 1.58 gram of helium is there. Here gram atoms means 1.5 moles of helium. 1.5 moles of helium. Okay, next 107. The vapor density of gas is 11.2. The volume occupied by 11.2 grams of the gas. See here, grams of the gas means that gram is considered as normal weight, not at all moles. The volume occupied by 11.2 grams of the gas at STP. The vapor density of gas. 107. Understood how to do? Right? 107. The vapor density of gas is 11.2. Vapor density of the gas is 11.2. The volume occupied by 11.2 grams of this gas. It is given 11.2 grams given. It is occupying dash liter at STP. 11.2 gram of gas. Okay. See molecular mass क्या होगा? See I'm starting solution here. Solution. This gas, X gas, we don't know what is that X. X gas. Molecular mass equal to what? Vapor density into 2, that equal 11.2 into 2, that equal 22.4 grams. First step is clear. So 22.4 gram is there. If you take 22.4 grams equal to 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter because it is 1 mole. First step is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Molecular mass I calculated. Formula is vapor density into 2. Vapor density given in the question into 2. That means 22.4. This is the molecular mass. Molecular mass 22.4 gram equal to 1 mole. 1 mole occupying 22.4 liter at STP. This point is clear to everyone? Right. Now question is asking 11.2 gram how much? Direct question is 11.2 gram equal to how many moles? Half mole. Half mole है तो how much liter? 11.2 liter. 22.4 gram equal to 1 mole. That means 11.2 इसमें आधा half mole. 1 mole occupying 22.4 liter. Half mole occupying 11.2 liters. Cross multiplication questions. Shall I do like this? 1 mole equal to 22.4 नीचे ऐसा लिखना है. Understood or I should explain proper. Proper means यही तो proper है. Number of steps increase कर सकते हैं. Okay? थोड़ा logically you have to make it habit. ठीक है? Every time vapor density one line, then next line, then next line. See, this simple question I can make it in the total board also I can solve. Number of steps increasing is not big deal. Number of steps decreasing and understanding, that is only important. Okay, right. Molecular mass. This much is the formula, direct formula. Everyone you need to remember. Then vapor density given to 2 molecular mass. Molecular mass equal to 1 mole होता है. 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter always. Question number 107 over then 108. A pair of gas having same number of molecules are. See, it will time taking process, but concept over. I am not explaining this. You do it. What you will do? Just do the calculation number of moles. What is the formula? Mass by molar mass. What is the formula? Formula I am writing here. Mole equal mass upon molecular mass. A option, B option, C option, D option you do. In all cases, apply this formula where you will get same answer. That is the answer. The density of water is 1 gram per ml. The number of molecules, present in 1 liter of water. In 1 liter of water, how many molecules are there? 1 liter means 1 kilogram. Okay, already we solved this 55.5 moles. So the mole formula, mole equal to mass by molar mass. Mass how much? 1000 grams. ये water के लिए, right? What is the molar mass? 18. That equal 55.5 moles. If you want the number में 55.5 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecules are there. What is asking here? The number of molecule present. This is only answer. Not 55.5, 55.5 moles also you have to write. Then only correct answer. 55.5 moles. So here answer will be fourth. 55.5 into 6.02 in 10 power 23. 109 over 1010. Today I will stop after this. Which of the following contains more number of moles of the substance? 12 gram. Hydrogen equal to 4 moles. That is the highest. Okay. Now only 2-3 minutes I have. That's why you ask me up to 125. Whatever the question is there, you can ask up to 125. I am writing here. 125 tak. Whatever doubt is there, ask. That is the last question for today. One 21. Okay, I am going to explain 121. This is the last question today. Time already only 3 minutes is there. 200 cc of gas measured at STP has a mass 0.268 gram. Molecular weight of the gas is, very good, 200 cc. देखो बेटा 1 cc means nothing but 1 ml. 200 cc means nothing but 200 ml. Okay. Now this 200 ml gas has 0.268 gram. 0.268 gram. 0.268 gram mass is there. 0.268 gram mass is there. What is the question? Question number 121. No? Question number 121. Now it is asking molar mass. See, 200 ml equal to this much. But we know the one concept. 1 mole gas occupying 22.4 liter in the ml ratio into 1000. 22,400 ml. 22,400 ml of gas is equal to 1 mole. The 1 mole of gas containing mass only molar mass. So cross multiplication question again. 200 ml equal to this much. 22,400 ml equal to dash x. We don't know. X equal 0.26 into 22,400 upon 200. 0000 2112. Okay, just you multiply this. 112 into 0.26. Suppose if I consider 0.25, that means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means fourth table में कर सकते. 4 3 जा भी नहीं होगा, 4 2 जा मतलब approximately 2.8 means so I can write 1 by 4 this one it is 11 2. So 4 2 जा 8 3 32 28. What is the answer? 121. 28 is there. Option 3. Okay. Bye. All the best. Today test is there. Write it. Maximum questions I explained each and every question. Okay. Other than this book, there is no question. Concepts so 100% covered. Okay. All the best. Bye.